And the DCs are off to go camping. So it was a very spontaneous thing. We kind of just booked last night, packed everything, and now we are off to go camping. We just kind of packed really light. Well, not super light, but light enough. And we only got a few things to eat. We're only there for 2 nights. So today's Friday. We're leaving after work, and then we're gonna go Saturday there, and then come back here on Sunday. Let's go. Avery's road trip snacks. So she got some strawberries, some peanut butter sandwich, some blueberries, carrots, M&Ms and sultanas, and some tiny teddies. So I thought we were packing light, but the whole car is full. Avery's at the back, so I need to sit at the front because everything's there. But yeah, let's go, and hopefully I don't get sick, because the last time we drove to Bateman's Bay I was about to throw up because it's a very winding road, and I'm not looking forward to it because I'm at the front. But yeah, wish me luck. Avery, where are you going? We're going?
Camping.
Where are you going? We're going?
Camping.
We're up to the part of the winding road soon, so I'm just going to go and close my eyes.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
Tasman holiday parks. So this is where we're going to be staying for the next 2 days, and we need to go and check in first.
Take the next left, then your destination will be on the right.
Here first. So just checking into the reception area. $8737. You got tennis courts. Here you have the jumping pillow. Here we can play in the jumping pillow. Later we'll go for a walk around. But we are at the evergreen lawns, and the lady did say that if we bought any drills or anything, because the lawns are hard to put the pegs in, and someone was complaining apparently last week. But we read the reviews and saw that, so yeah, we're gonna use a drill, and we always use a drill anyway. And there's some pools over there. Is it only one pool, or there's another pool? I think this is the newer one. Is there only one? So we chose like the premium lawns, which is just a little bit more extra, and the site area is pretty big. So our space is from here 310 all the way up to here, which is also 310. So this whole area pretty much is our spot, because it's mostly caravans and stuff that are here, but we're in about 10. That's okay. So yeah, let's go. So we're just near the toilets. I think this is a toilet, so we're just gonna go check it out to see if it is. But yeah, these are probably the shower areas. It's going to have a look. So they also have like a parents' room, which is good. So you can have a shower there when you're a kid. So it's gonna be easy for Avery. Come on, let's go. and we're just close by, so that's our car over there. So we picked a pretty good spot. Just setting up our tent. Daddy Marcus can do all that. So there's only 3 of us, but we're still using our 10-person tent. So we only have 1 tent. Our tent is up. We just need to peg it down more properly and also put the top part in. But yeah, good job, Daddy Marcus. Look over the ducks there. Look, the duckies there.
No.
Sit down, please. Got here our camping fridge, which we're just gonna fill up with our drinks. Avery, you helping Daddy? Can you pin that one?
My finger.
Huh? She's right here pinning, Bob. She's right there. Are you helping Daddy? Okay, you help Daddy, okay? Just doing the final touches of the tent. Avery's just there. It's a little bit harder when it's only us 3 because we have to watch her because she's just like running around. So I've put her in the trolley for now. But here's our tent set up. The DC tent is done and we're going to go for a walk. We're going to go to the beach. And then we'll come back and do some cooking. We'll have dinner, but we're going to the beach first.